Pada pranams to Shri Amma and Bhagwan. I am Dr. Prachi Sinkar from Mumbai. I have developed a strong bond with Shri Amma and Bhagwan since my childhood. From a very young age, Shri Amma and Bhagwan have had an inseparable presence in my life. Whenever I faced even the smallest difficulty, I would instinctively pray to them. And without fail, my prayers were answered, strengthening my faith again and again. The biggest miracle of my life unfolded during my medical journey. Despite sincere effort and merit, I missed securing a government medical college seat in India by a small margin in the CET examination. It was a deeply painful phase for me and my family. With complete surrender at the lotus feet of Shri Amma and Bhagwan, the decision was taken for me to pursue my undergraduate medical education abroad. By Amma Bhagwan's grace, I completed my medical graduation from Philippines, where basic medical education and clinical training are exemplary, rigorous, and patient-centric. That phase not only shaped me academically, but also deepened my discipline, compassion, and respect for medical profession. Before leaving for my studies, I had the blessing of a personal darshan. During that divine moment, Shri Bhagwan guided me clearly to go ahead with medical education, but to return and stay back in India to serve our motherland. Those words remained firmly imprinted in my heart and became my inner compass through every challenge. After completing my undergraduate degree, I returned to India and by Shri Amma Bhagwan's grace, cleared the MCI screening test in the first attempt, which is an achievement in itself. It felt like a miracle. However, another major challenge followed. My registration to practice medicine in India remained pending due to administrative and regulatory processes. Professionally qualified, yet unable to practice, I experienced deep uncertainty and helplessness. At this crucial juncture, with complete surrender, we performed Navagraha Homa and fervent prayers to Shri Amma Bhagwan, seeking nothing but the divine will. What followed can be described as Amma Bhagwan's Leela. After years of stagnation, the obstacles began dissolving effortlessly. Filed moved. Long pending matters were suddenly resolved. Without pressure, influence, or struggle, my medical registration was finally granted, enabling me to legally practice medicine in India and move forward with post-graduation. Also during this most challenging phase, what remained was a deep silence at the backdrop of my mind. I bow in deep gratitude at the lotus feet of Shri Amma Bhagwan for shaping my destiny, protecting my faith, and allowing me to serve our motherland through medical profession. I remain ever at the lotus feet of my Shri Amma and Bhagwan. Jai Bolo Homa Vijay Pradata Shri Amma Bhagwan ki Jai.